Hi folks, this is Christine Youre, and I wanted to give you a bit of a pep talk because 2020 has been a year full of change and new discoveries for a lot of people, and most of us would not have initiated it that way out of our own free will. So it just kind of happened, and now we're all dealing with it. First of all, if you're hearing this, you are doing great. It means you probably still have a roof over your head. It means you're healthy enough to listen to a video, you probably have a device to play it on, and so on and so on, which puts you ahead of a lot of people in the world. So you're doing great. Keep going. The other thing is focus on what you can actually influence. You know, like we can't change a lot of aspects about the situation a lot of us are in. We can change how we react to it, and we can work with the degrees of freedom we have as they apply to our own lives. So rather than beating yourself up for what's happening on a bigger scale, focus on your own life, what you care about, the people you love, and what you're able to do there, and make steps there to change.